Hi again. Today I'm here with a special unboxing of the Hermès Kelly, Mini Kelly, or Micro Kelly I should say, bag trunk. So the first thing you see is that there's a nice little Battery Twilly book here, and inside there is a little story about this bag trim because it is actually a fully functional Kelly with a Twilly scarf on it. So let me go and show you what it looks like. Comes in its own nice dust bag. And here it is. So this Micro Kelly is in Caldecalt leather in a nice blue color. And you see we have the Kelly buckle. And on the handle we have a Twilly. So this is silk, just like Hermès's Twillys, full-size Twillys. And the pattern on here, it might be a little bit hard to see, is actually the New York Battery Park Twilly. So this is a pretty special charm. And what I really like about it is that it's fully functional. So I can go take off the strap and open up the inside. You see they even have an Hermès stamp in the back right inside. So very, very cool. This bag trim does come in a number of different colors and different Twilly combinations. I've seen it in black or noir, and I've also seen some exotic leathers as well. So definitely very rare and hard to get your hands on. We got lucky just by walking into the store, and they happened to get it the night before we came in. So we went ahead and picked it up, and this would be a great bag charm for my wife's special order Kelly. So in the US, this Kelly Twilly retails for $2,875 as of December 2022. Just like any other Hermès leather, especially with it being in Caldecalt, you want to be aware of the elements, of the rain, of getting it scratched, and so on. So you would want to take care of this just like you would any Hermès bag. Thanks for watching. As always, leave any questions and comments below. Always like to hear from you, and happy to answer anything, questions that you have, or any other details that you would like. And I'll see you next time.